atu ki kousi. Beside me here on screen is a lady with the name tag Sharon. This is Sharon Reid, everybody. She is a finalist in our E Tu Whānau Father's Day competition. And Sharon is going to introduce herself to you all. And then we're going to get into talking about why she posted up on the competition page and why she nominated the dad that she nominated for this prize. Nā reira, here you go, Sharon. Here's your opportunity to introduce yourself to everyone who is listening.
Kia ora, everybody. My name, as you've heard, is Sharon, and I'm a very proud resident of New Plymouth, and I'm absolutely delighted to be able to tell you about the special dad in my life.
Oh, awesome. So for those of you who aren't sure what we're talking about, maybe, E Tu Whānau has put a competition together, running in conjunction with Te Korimako o Taranaki, and the prize is a $100 seafood voucher for a dad who is nominated by somebody who feels that he has made life in the bubble over the past couple of weeks a more exciting and pleasant experience. And Sharon Reid is one of the finalists in this competition for us, her and along with a couple of other people. Their entries have been chosen, and we just wanted to give the opportunity to Sharon Reid to explain why she chose to nominate this person. And I'm just going to read out the comment that she made. This is Sharon Reid's entry. The dad I live with, Don Freeburn Reid, has had to support me in ways we never imagined. I have been really unwell, so he has been cook, housekeeper, nurse, and all-round cheerleader. He loves seafood, so this would be too meke for him. Thank you, Sharon, for your entry. What a beautiful kōrero about Don. And I'd love for you to explain a little bit more as to what that entry means to you.
Well, it means everything to me, really. It was when I saw the competition pop up on Facebook, I thought, wow, this is a way I can acknowledge what Don, my husband, has done for me in our bubble. And it has been really, really special because it has also been very hard. Earlier this year, I was diagnosed with stage 3 cancer and had to have surgery and have been going through a really brutal chemotherapy regime. And I have been at my worst, I guess, through the bubble. There's been mornings when I sit on the bed and I can't even dress myself. So without Don, I certainly wouldn't have got through that time. I mean, he's had to be a nursemaid. He's had to be, like I said, a cheerleader, because there are days when you think, this is so awful, am I going to get through it? And he won't let me be negative in any way or form. So, but then that's just the essence of who Don is. He's very kind and he's very caring. He really is, to me, the epitome of what a husband should be. But he's also the most fabulous dad. We've got lots of newborn babes in our family, and he's just there for the mums, and you know, he's just an all-round awesome guy. And the fact that he loves seafood also was pretty significant as well in this competition. So it would be a real treat for him.
Oh, awesome. Now, can I ask you, Sharon, is that Don sitting next to you right now?
Oh, it is. He's trying to laugh.
Thank you so much for being such a great husband and dad, Don. Wonderful to meet you on the line, albeit online. And for the listeners and the people who are watching this, we've had quite the trip this morning, haven't we, Sharon, trying to get ourselves online?
We have indeed.
And it was important for us to do so after listening to your story, also reading your entry, and then getting to meet Don Also, what a wonderful kōrero
Well,
that we've been able to have this morning.
like I said, he's my number one support person. So, let's go down to the beach this morning, start the day down there. And so he drags me off, and it just does lift your spirits.
Great work there, Don. You keep that all up. We might be able to get you in on the show one time and give us all a few tips about uplifting our game and our bubbles. How's about that? Well, thank you, Sharon, so much for joining us this morning, you and Don, and all the best for the rest of your journey. We wish you well, and even this morning, hope you have a wonderful walk down at the beach. Don't forget, keep safe in your little bubble, and yeah, just do your best at the moment. And we, again, like I said before, te kore mako taranaki, we wish you the best, and we wish you luck in this competition. Also, thank you for your kōrero this morning. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much for the opportunity.
No worries. Nā reira, e te whānau koutou e whakarongo mai nei, ko tēnei a Sharon Reid, me tōna mako, Don Freeben Reid, nā reira kei te mihi atu ki koutou katoa. Thank you very much for joining us this morning.
Kia ora, thank you.